Alright, so here's what we got going. Talking to the camera, we got a wall here that we're doing a remodel on, you know. Anyway, got a gas line coming through here, got old pipes, probably an old gas pipe when they did the remodel. But obviously, we've got an issue. We have a below grade footer, and the footer's made out of rocks, and that has caused rot. The rot, that rot goes clear out there, if you can see it. I'll get a light in there. There is concrete outside the door on the patio here. It's also this footer below grade. I can shove this up in there. Not good. So we're going to do here as well. Got this footer. It's rotting away. It just came apart. Let's see where it's falling apart here. It rotted away. Look at that. Like so. So what we did, since that footer's all shot and rotted, I built a fake support beam here, hold the ceiling up temporarily. What we're going to do is cut out this lower footer here, make this go away. This double plate, it's been patched in before. See, it slopes downhill. Back here to this corner, I'll probably do the same here. We're going to form up and pour a new footer inside the wall where it needs to be, and then build a new footer on the wall and start over. Yeehaw. Then we'll have to build us some decent floor joists, because the floor joists, as you can see right here, don't really touch nothing. They're just there.